in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about percentages. So a quick recap on how to find percentages of amounts. Now, 60 in this example here, this is my 100%. This is my whole. So 100% of 60 is 60. But what if I just wanted 1% of 60? So if 100% is 60, 1% is going to be 100 times smaller than 60. So dividing 60 by 100 tells me, decimal point would move there, 1% would be 0.6. Now, once I've got 1% of an amount, I can then just upscale it to whichever percentage I want. If I wanted 2%, 2% is obviously double 1%, so it would be double the number here. So 2% would be 1.2. If I wanted 5%, well, 5% would be 5 times whatever 1% was. So 5 times 0.6 is 3, and so on. Another very useful percentage to be able to work out is 10% of a number. 10%, well, that would be dividing this number by 10. So 10% of 60 is 6. Now, it's easy to work out what 15% would be. 15% is the 5% plus the 10%. So 5% was 3, 10% was 6, so 15% would be 9. Let's see if we can work out what 20% is. From what we've already got, we know 10% is 6, so 20% is going to be double 6, 20% is 12. Okay, what about 50%? 50%, another common percentage you might be asked to find. 50%, most people will automatically halve that number. So half of 60 is 30. Now, when I've got 50%, it also helps me to work out 25%. If 50% is 30, 25% will be half of this. So half of 30 is 15. And what about if I wanted 75%? Well, if I can half that again, and then add those together, I will get 75% because 50 plus 25 is 75. So 75% in this case would be 45. So there really is a lot of ways you can work with percentages just using your numerical reasoning skills. So back to these questions. Question A, 50% of 58. So we would need to divide 58 by 2. 2's into 5 is 2. 2's into 18 is 9. So the answer for part A is 29 metres. Part B, 75% of 24. So 50% of 24 would be half of 24. That would be 12. 25% is going to be half of this again. So 75%, I just need to add these together, give me 18. And you should really put the units on there because the question was given in pounds. The final, part C, 10% of 130, that would be 130 divided by 10. So the answer to part C is 13.